Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make beef roast. Preheat oven to 325 degrees F and pat the roast dry to ensure a brown crust. Sear all sides in a hot pan for color, then transfer to a roasting pan. Roast until internal temperature reaches 125 degrees F for medium rare, resting 15 minutes before slicing against the grain for juicy, tender slices that everyone will enjoy. Prepare the roast by trimming excess fat while leaving a thin cap for flavor. Rub salt and pepper evenly, then press in chopped herbs and smashed garlic. Tie the roast with kitchen twine everyone. 5 inches to hold shape and ensure uniform cooking. Let the seasoned roast rest at room temperature for about 30 minutes before searing to avoid a cold center and to help seasonings penetrate. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and hit like as it really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a crisp, long-lasting scent that oddly matches the fresh aroma of a just roasted beef. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Sear the roast on all sides in a heavy skillet until a deep brown crust forms, then roast at a steady 325 degrees F. Monitor with a reliable thermometer and pull the roast 5 degrees F below your target temperature for carryover cooking. Tent the roast loosely with foil and rest for at least 15 minutes to allow juices to redistribute. Slice thinly against the grain for the most tender bites and serve with pan juices or a simple gravy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.